Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're on the hunt for the best Floor Tbar applicator, then look no further than the Duratool 18 inches lightweight T-bar applicator with refill. This product is truly a game changer for anyone looking to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Whether you're applying paint, stain, or any other liquid coating, this applicator is designed to provide exceptional coverage over large areas, making your tasks easier and faster. The Duratool T-bar applicator is incredibly lightweight, which makes it comfortable to use for long periods without tiring out your arms. Its compact design, measuring 19 inches long and 3.5 inches wide, gives you the perfect balance between coverage and maneuverability. This ensures you can apply coatings with precision, even in tight spaces, without any hassle. One of the standout features of this product is the inclusion of a refill pad. No need to purchase an additional pad separately, it's all included in the box. The refill pad is durable, designed to last through multiple uses, so you can get more done for less. And it's compatible with various types of solvent-based products, which adds to its versatility for different projects. Not only does it provide professional-grade performance, but the Duratool T-bar applicator is also incredibly cost-effective. You won't find a better value for such a high-quality tool. Plus, its construction ensures longevity, so you can expect it to serve you for many projects to come. If you're looking for a T-bar applicator that combines performance, ease of use, and durability, this is your go-to tool. So, if you're ready to streamline your painting, staining, or finishing tasks, the Duratool 18 inches lightweight T-bar applicator is the tool you need. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, it's built to get the job done right. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products on the market.